How to download Instagram Reels video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can download the Instagram Reels video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to download Instagram Reels, so if you open up Instagram here, then you go to the Reels tab. Here you can see, if I just go ahead and play a certain reel, if you tap on the three dots option, there is no option to actually download that particular reel over here. Now one thing that you can do to download it is by trying to remix this, and when you try to remix it from your account, so let me just tap the three dots option, tap on remix over here. You can see remix with original video or remix after original video. So I will select remix after original video, but I will not actually add anything over here, right? So I will not go ahead and then add anything. I'll just leave it like this. I'll tap on next. It will ask me to add a second sequence. If I want, you can simply add any generic text or anything like that over here. It doesn't really matter. And once you've done that, you can just hit the next option. When you hit the next option and when you post this reel will actually get downloaded to your profile in this case, and then you can just tap the next option, then tap on the next option again. Now you can simply go to advanced settings. You can select upload at highest quality, then the reel will get automatically downloaded once you've posted. You can just set this to private and post it so that not every people will get notified, and as a result this will get automatically downloaded. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.